What's going on, y'all? It's your boy BT back with another video. Today we are going to be taking on a different kind of ordeal. Today we will be doing a little DoorDash delivery. So let's see how that goes, how people react when they see a supercar pull up to do a DoorDash delivery. NSX power, baby.
Hi, buddy. Great night.
All right, so we just picked up the delivery. So let's go see how this customer responds to a supercar DoorDash delivery. Well, I guess the first one didn't work out. Delivery is actually at a company, so not really much to see here. So let's see, we might get another one. We'll try again. All right, so got another DoorDash. This one is at Walgreens though, so here we go. Gotta go get the shopping list. Got the sour bite crawlers. Let's see if we can find the rest of the items on this list. Butterfinger bites. All right, Reese's Thins. Of course, Doritos. All right, and last item, Krispies. Rice Krispies treats. All right, to the checkout. All right, got the bag. Time to go deliver. Well, I guess with COVID, it's to be expected. It's hit and miss with whether or not somebody actually comes out. So, oh, we're done. That's it. All right, we're off again. We got 2 deliveries this time. Let's see what we can see when we see what we see. One more left. We'll see how this one goes.
What's going on, bud?
Not much.
Okay. Is that an Acura?
It is.
The NSX?
It is.
Damn. Is it electric?
It's hybrid. So it's part electric, and it's got the V6, but it's not it's not meant for it to be full-blown hybrid, but the battery does kick in with electric motors here and there. So if you're going at lower speeds, it'll run fully on electric. But if you need power, the engine will pick up on.
Can you switch it to be all
No, it's based
motor?
off of how you drive.
Oh, okay.
And the battery's not gonna last for more than probably like, I don't know, I've never done a test. I'd say maybe you could get 10 minutes of like 25 miles an hour or something like that. Yeah.
That is badass.
Okay.
Are they all hybrid or?
Yeah, so they did Gen 2 in 2017 up until current, and yeah, they basically have the same setup.
And what year is that?
This is 17.
Wow. I got it.
Oh.
Yeah,
Damn, that's nice, bro.
appreciate it, man.
No, thank you. Appreciate it.
Take it easy. So after a couple of runs, we were able to run into someone who actually recognized the vehicle as an Acura. So I had a short discussion with the gentleman, but he appreciated the vehicle, and I'm pretty sure he enjoyed his DoorDash delivery that day. As for this video, that's it. We'll catch you guys on the next one.